Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Justin Guitar Beginner Songbook 1 is probably one of the most sought-after resources for aspiring guitarists, offering a curated collection of popular songs specifically chosen to build foundational skills and boost confidence in new players, making the journey from beginner to intermediate feel achievable and incredibly rewarding as you strum your way through familiar tunes. Number 5. Newlam 17 Keys Kalimba Thumb Piano. Discover the enchanting sound of this 17-key Kalimba thumb piano. Each one is meticulously handcrafted for a beautiful musical experience. Crafted from high-quality wood and/or steel bars, it produces a wonderfully ethereal timbre. The natural wood grain adds to its unique charm. Learn to play your favorite songs in just 5 minutes. The keys are clearly embossed with notes, and we provide guidance to get you started quickly. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features an ergonomic hand-rest curve. This ensures a comfortable playing experience, even for extended periods. Looking for a unique gift? This instrument is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for aspiring musicians. It's a portable way to enjoy making music. Your purchase includes the thumb piano, an instruction book, a protective flannelette bag, and a cleaning fabric. Everything you need to start playing right away. What we like. This instrument is crafted with rigorous raw materials for a beautiful sound. Its embossed notes and ergonomic design make it easy to learn. If you are looking for a portable instrument that's easy to pick up and play, this is a great choice for beginners and music lovers alike. What people say. It comes with a bag for it, a cleaning cloth, a tuning hammer, finger guards, and some stickers to help you differentiate the keys. The wood on the unit feels very high quality, and it sounds great. It sounds beautiful and is easy to get started learning how to play. Number 4. Guitar Exercises for Beginners. Are you ready to take your guitar playing to the next level? This program is designed to help you improve your skills significantly, even with a busy schedule. Learn effective exercises that will transform your playing. You'll be amazed at how much progress you can make in a short amount of time. Consistency is key. Dedicate just 10 minutes each day to these targeted exercises and witness a dramatic improvement in your guitar abilities. Experience a 10x increase in your guitar skills. These exercises are specifically crafted for beginners to ensure rapid and noticeable progress. Begin your musical adventure with confidence. This is the perfect starting point for anyone looking to excel on the guitar. What we like. This guide promises to significantly improve your guitar skills in a very short amount of time each day. It's perfect for those who are short on time but eager to see rapid progress. If you want to maximize your practice efficiency and see noticeable improvements quickly, this is the resource for you. What people say. The instruction provides easy-to-understand hand exercises and shows the proper hand positions and fingering techniques. The book explains guitar tablature and how to use it easily. You do not need to know or learn how to read music. This booklet has very clear and understandable instructions that even younger children can understand and follow, perfect for first-time players. Number 3. Guitar Book for Adult Beginners. Are you an adult beginner looking to learn guitar? This book is designed specifically for you. Start your musical journey today. Imagine playing your favorite famous guitar songs. With this guide, you'll learn the chords and techniques to make it a reality. Go beyond just playing notes. Understand essential music theory and master guitar chords to truly express yourself through music. Proper technique is key to great guitar playing. This book will guide you through the essential techniques for smooth and confident playing. Enhance your learning with streaming video lessons. See the techniques in action and follow along at your own pace for faster progress. This comprehensive package provides everything an adult beginner needs. Start playing the songs you love with confidence and skill. What we like. This book is designed specifically for adult beginners wanting to play popular songs. It combines essential chords, music theory, and technique with helpful streaming video lessons. If you're an adult who wants to learn guitar by playing songs you know and love, this comprehensive package is ideal. What people say. This book is very good, a thorough introduction to learning to play the guitar with zero experience. The diagrams are extremely helpful in understanding what the lesson should look like with the actual instrument. I love how easy it is to follow and how the lessons progress in a manner that includes the previous lesson so you can continue to use what you previously learned. Number 2. JustinGuitar Beginner Songbook. Are you ready to play your favorite songs? This book features 100 timeless classics, all perfectly arranged for you. We've made learning easy. Each song is specially arranged to suit beginner guitarists, so you can start playing right away. Go beyond just playing chords. This collection helps you build your skills and confidence with every song you learn. Want to sound like a pro? You'll find valuable performance tips included to help you shine on stage or with friends. Begin your guitar adventure today. With this songbook, you have everything you need to start playing and enjoying music. This is the ultimate resource for anyone starting out on guitar. Learn and play a wide variety of classic tunes with ease. What we like. This songbook offers a vast collection of 100 classic songs, all simplified for beginner guitarists. It includes valuable performance tips to help you sound great. If you want a wide variety of familiar songs to practice and build your repertoire, this is an excellent starting point. What people say. The songs progress in difficulty as you go, and for the easy songs Justin gives tips about how to come back and add more difficult elements once you've improved. He's taken some popular songs that have key changes throughout the song and simplified them so a beginner can play without worrying about that, yet they are still recognizable. Each section contains a chord chart for new chords. Each song contains lyrics, chords, suggested strumming patterns, background info, and tips. This is spiral bound so it lays flat easily. It's fairly small, so you can take it with you to practice, jam, or sing around a campfire. Number 1. JustinGuitar Beginner's Course Book and CDs. Ready to learn guitar? This comprehensive beginner's course is your perfect starting point. It includes everything you need to get playing. The spiral-bound format allows the book to lay flat, making it easy to follow along while you practice. No more struggling with pages closing. With 2 audio CDs included, you can learn at your own pace and hear the lessons come to life. Practice anytime, anywhere. Benefit from the proven teaching methods of Justin Guitar, a trusted name in guitar education. Start playing your favorite songs sooner than you think. This pack provides a complete learning experience for aspiring guitarists. Get ready to strum your first chords and melodies with confidence. What we like. This is a comprehensive beginner's course designed to guide you step by step. It comes with audio CDs to aid your learning process. If you prefer a structured, traditional learning method with audio support to build a solid foundation in guitar playing, this course is highly recommended. What people say. Easy to follow, great instructions for beginner. The real neat thing that I like is the 10 learning segments, each with the beginning of songs to get us started correctly. That is 100 modern songs that we can practice with, to cut the boredom that can sneak into the practice sessions. Very well thought out and organized. I use this along with his excellent website, which is free, and I learn new things about the guitar every day. The pictures are clear and the CDs help with ear training and learning new strum patterns. I love the spiral-bound edition that lays flat on my music stand. I highly recommend this book to anyone who is new to playing guitar. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.